Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft is spending billions of dollars on AI. And it's trying to integrate AI everywhere. It's trying to push Copilot. It is trying to do all sorts of things with AI and adding it in all of its products and services. And well, what's happening is that the latest data that we have of AI and Copilot use is quite interesting and quite sad for the amount of money that Microsoft is spending. So, for those that have Office 365, there's an Office 365 subscription that adds the capability of having Copilot in it. You're paying higher fees for the Microsoft 365 subscription, but you're getting Copilot with it. Well, that get this, more than 450 million subscribers of Microsoft 365, about 4% are paid subscribers for Copilot. So that's a very small amount of people actually using it. And if you look at simple users of Copilot on PCs, free version and all of that, it is estimated that only 1.5% of all users will use Copilot in a week. So it's literally a big failure, literally not paying off at Microsoft. And we know that part of the layoffs are due to the high cost of maintaining AI. And it's driving, a lot of investors actually are asking questions. They want to have answers of why are you spending so much on AI without any results. So we can probably say that Microsoft has missed the boat on AI, and it's pretty much a failure. So we'll see what happens next. But the company is still focusing on spending huge amounts of money on artificial intelligence. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.